This week, the possibilities are endless as we explore a different side of van life thanks to a friend.
Dun, dun, dun.
Our new ride.
This thing is awesome.
So this is my buddy Amir, or our buddy Amir.
Hello.
Amir has graciously allowed us to borrow his van while we are looking for our next one. So, thank you.
You're welcome.
And we're actually going to take this on a road trip.
You want to open the doors?
Oh, it's full of crap. But it'll be your space.
It's like a blank canvas.
Pretty much. How long have you had this thing?
3 years now?
3 years?
How many miles does it have on it?
210,000?
That is fantastic. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah, I think this will work out perfectly.
Enjoy.
This is like a dream come true for me. You don't even understand.
Yeah, when you told us you were going to lend us your van, and I kind of explained to Kate what it was, she got really excited.
Did she know about this thing? Because I'm not sure why. Well, this is like if you went from high class to mid class and then said, no, that's not low enough. Let's go low class. I'm providing you the low class.
It's a different side of van life.
Yeah.
This is like van life when you aimed high but then didn't quite make it there.
I think what we're going to have to do is make some shades for the side. But
Yeah, so the
aside
nice
from
thing
that-
is you have space to mount anything directly in. You can rivet, you can bolt in, anything that you want.
Anything our heart desires?
Anything your heart desires, all you kids.
All right. Well, speaking of which, I may be using it today to pick up a new motorcycle. Well, new to me. We'll see.
Well, didn't you originally get this van thinking you might convert it into a camper and go on
I
a trip?
did, and then I bought something a little bit bigger.
That.
We've got a spare tire.
Hey, you always need a spare.
This is so awesome. I never thought we'd have a GMC Savana.
Biking stuff.
Are we helping him take some of this stuff out?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I don't think we need all of his bicycle gear.
Hey, as I said, all we need is enough room to put a bed down, put a stove, be able to cook. I'm good.
Yeah.
And we can see what it's like to have a van where you can't stand up.
And funny enough, as long as we can fit the bike in here, I'd rather put it in here because that, 200 mile or 180, whatever it is, mile drive back on an unknown bike. I don't know about that. We'll see.
So I'm very excited about the van. Joe is super excited about potentially buying a motorcycle today as a birthday present.
Yes, tomorrow is my birthday.
He's been dreaming about this since Maui, because when we announced that we're looking for a new van and Joe's looking for a motorcycle, a subscriber reached out.
Said they had one, they weren't using it and thought it would be perfect for me. Started researching the bike and guess what? It's perfect for me. So we'll see. I'm gonna go down and take a look at it today, and if all goes well, I'll be back on two wheels. Yeah. You know, the thing we learned in Maui was we actually liked having a shorter van. I wonder how we're gonna feel about having a low roof van after this is all over.
So is this the subwoofer system he mentioned?
Yes.
That thing looks serious. I can't wait to play some country. Just blast a little,
Just bump along.
I like my chicken fried. Cold beer on a Friday night.
Corn makes whiskey. All of the random stuff. We'll keep the tire. light the fire.
There's some water bottles in here you might want to grab.
Oh. All right, I think that's it. Take this inside.
If you feel like carrying passengers, we could install the extra seats.
Yes, we could.
If I understand it correctly, it started out as a passenger van.
Uh-huh. GMC Savana passenger van.
I never thought in a million years we would have the opportunity to convert
You are too
a
excited
GMC
about this.
Savana into a camper.
You are way too excited about this.
As I told Amir, when he gets his van back, it might be a partially or fully converted van.
Wait till you guys see the toilet that Kate is planning to bring with us. Oh boy.
You're not as excited. I think you've got motorcycle on the brain.
I've got something on the brain.
I've never seen you so excited about a motorcycle before.
Really?
This is the most you've been, like most excitement I've seen in a very long time.
Well, I do love my motorcycles.
I think it's because you haven't ridden in so long. You're just so ecstatic.
Yeah.
Well, I hope it all works out.
So do I.
And if it does work out, I think it's kind of cool that we would be buying your motorcycle from subscribers of ours.
That would be awesome. Especially because I'll get to see it in videos and things. So funny side story, Amir and I actually met because of motorcycles. He and I both used to have the same motorcycle and met at a meetup and just became instant friends and have been hanging out ever since.
Amir is one of those awesome friends that you don't see for a while, but when you get back together, it's like you were hanging
Never
out
apart.
yesterday.
Yeah.
Just a good person all around.
Yes, he is. And very generous.
Yeah. And Amir is single and ready to mingle.
Don't tell him we said that. So the tires on the back are new. Front ones look pretty good. Amir said he took this down to the mechanic yesterday and had them check it all out, oil change, that sort of thing. So we should be good even with 210,000 miles. Cross my fingers, knock on wood. You know what? I am excited. I take back what I said earlier. Now that I get to see it and I'm starting to think through it, this should be a lot of fun. I think we can make it a really good time.
Just needs a little TLC.
And it does.
It's not as refined as our last camper, but I think it's
It'll
gonna
work.
be just as fun.
It'll work.
Where are we gonna put the spare tire?
I'll probably use one of the tie downs and just tie it down to the wall. Once you put figure out a sleeping solution.
Well, we don't have much time to get this thing ready for our trip.
No.
I'm so excited. This is like a dream come true for me. My pants just split open. What's happening? When our friend told us he was gonna let us use his van, and then they described it to me, like, yes, I want to live out of this van.
Kate wants to go as simple as possible.
I've always said I'm okay with a comfortable place to sleep, way to cook. I'm good to go.
All right, my love. Well, I say let us get on the road. We can discuss our future plans for the borrowed van.
Amir might let us just buy it if we really love it. It's good to have wonderful friends.
It is. Thank you, Amir.
Very, very grateful. This is so awesome. I just can't explain it. This is the best. Van life. Oh my god, this is epic.
Just have to figure out how to get the seat to go back.
Right here, between your legs when you sit, is up, down, so this way, and then
Electric.
left and right.
It's electric. We were wondering what year the van is.
The Beast is a 2002.
You named it the Beast?
It is the Beast.
It has a name. I love it.
It has a name. And now it's the Russo Beast.
Thank you,
Yeah,
Amir.
See ya.
It has power
seats.
Who knew?
Power windows. All right, let's do this.
Okay. Off to go see your motorcycle. There's just too much excitement. I can't handle it. Listen to the sound of that.
Listen to it roar.
The beast is in motion.
The beast definitely feels like it's had a few miles put on it.
It's actually really comfortable.
It is. The suspension has gotten to the point where it just like wallows over everything, and it's like an old school caddy. This Russo is back on 2 wheels, driving 4 wheels.
Congratulations, honey,
Thank you.
and happy birthday.
Thank you.
I feel, as I was saying to the couple that we bought this motorcycle from,
Yes.
I feel like a member of our family is back.
So, very funny story about this motorcycle. When I was 15 years old, or actually 14 years old, I wanted a motorcycle more than anything. And I found out that at 15, I could get a motorcycle without having my official driver's license. So I was trying to convince my parents for my 15th birthday that the Suzuki DRZ, was at the time the 350, that it was a good idea for them to buy me that motorcycle so I could ride around and have a car. They did not go for that idea. Smart thinking.
But ever since I've known you, you've had a motorcycle.
Yeah.
Except the last 4 years when we've been living the nomadic lifestyle. And I know it's been a little piece missing in you, so I'm very happy that you're back on 2 wheels, honey.
I am so happy about that. And if you're wondering where my patch was, that was included in the deal for the motorcycle. So
What an
exciting.
eventful day.
Yes, we got a van and a motorcycle. Well, borrowed a van.
And bought a motorcycle.
Yes. So what's your plan?
Well, I'm thinking bed back here.
Yeah.
We can put all of our cooking stuff up here.
Okay.
That's all I've got so far. Bed back here. But we have to make the shades first.
So I was thinking we take the leftover Reflectix,
Okay?
kind of cut it to fit the windows, and either see if we can just stuff it in there or do a little Velcro, something like that.
Okay. Pure potential right here.
I love it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you're as excited about our new adventure as we are. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and if you want to see more cool content, head over to our website at we'retherussos.com. We'll see you next time. Bye.